Hey everyone, this is Shilpa and you are on my channel She Speaks. For a very long time, I have not been uploading videos related to the language, but now with this video, I'm back with it. And I'm also back with a question for you. The question is, if I gave you choice to speak in a language, which language would you prefer? Will it be Hindi or will it be English? I know many of you will be answering this question as obviously they will speak in Hindi because they are more comfortable in it. They feel more comfy when they speak in Hindi rather than when they speak in English. The reason behind this is because they are not that much confident while using English. And if I pen down the reasons that why the person don't want to speak in English is simply one reason, that is confidence. They don't feel much confident while they speak English. But let me be a little help for you. It is not that much difficult to speak in English. You are watching me speaking English. Are you like noticing even a single thing that I am getting uncomfortable or I'm getting scared or nervous? No, because this is just not that difficult. If I can speak in English, then anyone can speak in English. I'm just as human as you are. It is not so difficult, and the one who makes difficult is our own self. Yes, because we get stuck in using the correct grammar or using very fancy words, high vocabulary. We get just stuck in that thing only, and because of that, we don't even try to speak English because we start giving messages to our mind that whether I have to use is here, am here, are here. So we get so much in, like, we get start battling with us that what exactly I have to use here and how can I use fancy words, big words, so that I can create an impression on the other person. But this should not happen. We should not muddle between the grammar and the vocabulary, because if I tell you one thing, speaking is more important. Speaking comes here, and then grammar, and then later vocabulary. So first you have to reach here at the first step, that is speaking. Then you can move on to the grammar and the vocabulary, because first most important thing is that the words should come out of your mouth. That is the most important thing here, because if you won't speak, you won't correct your grammar, and then you won't be able to use high vocabulary, good words. So first you have to speak. So let the words come out of your mouth. So now how you can do this? This is the question here, that I want to speak English, but can someone help me how I can speak English? How I can speak English fluently and confidently? See, when I was a kid, I used to wonder that I used to see that there were many hoardings on which it was written as speak English, learn to speak English in 30 days or 45 days. At that age also I used to wonder and think that how can a person learn English in just 30 and 45 days? And also, if a person has not been able to speak English in 30 or 40 years of his life, then how he or she can speak English in just within 30 to 45 days? It's nearly impossible, because the one who can actually help you is you yourself. You have to train your mind, you have to give message to your mind that you want to learn speak English. Some other won't be able to come. So now let's just first jump on to the things which can help you to learn English fluently, the things which you can practice on your own. Firstly, you need to spend more and more time with English, and spending time with English is very much fruitful. It will really help you to grow. How you can spend time with English is you can watch some web series on Netflix, or you can even simply you can just listen to some English songs, or watch English movies, English news. The thing is, you have to let the language pour more into your ears. As it will go more into your ears, it will come more out of your mouth. Trust me, this will really help you. It has helped me, it can help you as well. And trust me, nothing will come to you if you won't practice. Practice is the key. You have to practice more and more and more. If you are little hesitant to speak English with someone, at least you can do it with yourself. You can start thinking in English. See, like imagine you are just sitting alone. When we are alone, we tend to think a lot of things. So I know that whenever you are thinking, you are always thinking. For example, you are always thinking in Hindi. Okay, so you can turn it to think in English. This might be sounding little weird to you, but trust me, it will really help you. Even I try this. Just whenever you are sitting alone, try to think in English. Try to convert your thoughts which are coming in Hindi, convert them in English. See, what will happen with this is there will be no one to judge you. As in, what you are thinking, is your English correct or wrong? It will be only between you and your thoughts. So this is a little practice. You can do this also. You can start learning think in English. As more and more you will think in English, you will get very habitual to the language, and slowly and steadily you will start speaking in English as well. And what you have to do is you have to play psychologically with your mind. Why I'm saying psychologically with your mind is because whenever you start speaking in English, a message pops up into your mind that now I have to speak in English and I will be making mistakes while speaking in English. So don't do that. Start playing with your mind. You have to train your mind that it is very easy to speak in English and you won't be making any mistake. And even if you will be making any mistake, it doesn't even matter. As it doesn't even matter to you. Let it matter to the other person, but it won't matter to you. And you can also surround yourself with a circle that speaks more of English, or even if you can't do that, at least you can do one thing. You can follow more channels in which they are helping you to speak in English, or there are many pages on Facebook or Instagram which keeps on posting some little things about the language. Even that can help you. And when it comes to following English channel, you can follow mine too. I really hope this video was a little help to you. Even if it will be making a little difference in your life, then please do drop a comment whether it has helped you, and please also tell me is anything that you want me to make a video on. And the least you can do is do like this video, share this video as much as with your friends, your family, anyone who is facing problem in speaking in English. Drop a comment and subscribe to my channel if you are new to the channel. Thank you very much. I will be back soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care and peace out.